Hi there. Can I tell you something? Success doesn't happen by chance. No, it is built through faith, consistency, and perseverance. No matter what this week brings, refuse to quit. Every challenge is shaping your character. Every delay is preparing you for something greater. And every small step is moving you closer to your dreams. So what you do is believe in yourself. Trust God's timing. You must stay focused. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. For I know the plans I have for you, declare the Lord, the plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to take you to the hope and your future. Jeremiah 29:11. This is your week to rise above your challenges, win and keep moving forward. Let your eyes be on the goal and never be weary, because you have the greater one behind you. So look over your shoulders. Remember, your eyes should be on God, not on your ability. Winning is your goal, and winning is the way. Keep shining, keep trusting in the Lord. Have an amazing week ahead of you. Bye-bye.